Is there a certain list of supplements that you recommend with TRT?
Consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and you'll be on your way.
A lot of times we'll take a look at, DHEA levels. We take a look at vitamin D levels. We take a look at thyroid levels. We take a look at some cardiovascular markers. We take a look at hemoglobin A1C, B12. And so we run a really sort of thorough panel. And when we see that people are really deficient in certain areas, then we'll tell them that they would probably benefit from supplementing. And then over time, vitamin D, by the way, is a really big one, very critical. There's a lot of data out there that suggests that your risk of, having certain types of cancer is drastically reduced when you have better levels of vitamin D. Obviously, at the moment with COVID, there's an unusually high number of patients that have passed away with really low levels of vitamin D. So during the whole COVID pandemic, that's one of the things that we were obviously stressing, very important to all of our clients, is to make sure that they're supplementing with vitamin D. There are a couple other supplements as well, like zinc, vitamin C, can help the immune system. But so vitamin D is one which is always important. It also has an impact on other hormone levels. It can help with SHBG. It can help with free testosterone, and like I said, we look at DHEA. We look at the thyroid levels. So a lot of times, people will be on the low side from a thyroid hormone perspective. This is not TRT related, obviously, but we do find that people are on the low side of thyroid hormones. But one of the first things we suggest is obviously change your diet. I think in a lot of cases, if people ate healthier and they ate better foods, they would be giving their body the fuel which is necessary for their own body to regulate levels. In replace of that, that's, by the way, if we can get a hold of, good food, right? I think that some of our food is becoming less and less nutrient rich. Sometimes we'll say take a thyroid supplement, or like I said, we'll suggest some dietary changes where they can boost it, or take a supplement in the short term and see where your levels go. Obviously, cholesterol, by the way, there are some people that could be negatively impacted if they're not eating enough cholesterol. There are certain cases where people can have low levels of testosterone because they don't have enough cholesterol. So I think those are the major ones that we take a look at. DHA, vitamin D, B12, if it's super low, if it's really, really low, the thyroid hormones, but it's not a huge list. Boron, by the way, I would say we recommend a lot boron. I think that you've had a doctor who's a big fan.
Yeah, Jeffrey Rutherbush talked about boron. Yeah.
So I did a lot of research on boron, and there's a lot of great data that suggests it's something that you can take, low dose. It has a lot of positive health benefits. And so boron's another one that we recommend in certain cases to some of our clients. And, it's a great supplement.